How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how to know if your friends are online on your Snapchat. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat app and get logged into your Snapchat account. In order to know if somebody is online on Snapchat, open up your chat section from your bottom left. As you do so, you will see a list of all your Snapchatters. Now let's go ahead and try and call them. Tap onto their name, then tap onto call option on your top right. And if they are not picking up your call, just know that they are online and they can see that you are calling them. And this is how you know it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.